you see how I'm starting my day off, is just enjoying that heater. This is a sporadic video, didn't really plan to make this one. Hanging out with Bruce, and what you can see is this is just all ice everywhere. This is just ridiculous. Coming up to the 64, got it on the battery charger for right now, and this thing is insane. It's just a whole block of ice everywhere. Me and Bruce are trying to figure it out. Do it on the charger, gonna get it to start, and let me show you something. See that? That was attached right there. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Can you hear this? Uh-oh. Oh. Alright. I guess today's plan is I'm thawing the 64. We're gonna get into some powder coating stuff, a bunch of random. I don't know. I'm panicking slightly now because did I just ruin this 5.3 by freezing it? Shit. Okay, so Bruce, let's get the heater. Let's get this thing going. Come on. It's cold. Ran out of propane ran out of kerosene in the kerosene. Resorted to the good old propane torch. The propane torch got so cold, it stopped working. But I got what I needed to do. I literally sat, I'll throw the clips in here off my phone. I just sat and heated the water pump itself up, heated the hoses up just a little bit. May have caught some loom on fire down there, but we won't talk about that. They're frozen in like one spot. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this thing sit idle for a while, try and warm itself up. That's liquid. That's, oh, God, my face, that's good. Well, this thing warms up and I try to save it from an icy death. I'm just cleaning up downstairs, kind of redoing how, I don't like the layout of how, try not to slide down the ice rink down there. I don't like the layout of everything. I'm thinking, the only reason I have these toolboxes is emotional attachment, sentimental value. I don't know, I've had them since I was a teenager, these guys over here. So I'm gonna clean these all out and just empty them. It's just junk, like books and ECUs and speakers, and I'm gonna clean it all out. What I don't need, trash, what I wanna keep, I'll put in boxes or something. I'm gonna throw the toolboxes, couldn't even think right there, up into the loft, and those are just gonna hang out for right now. Like I said, I'm just going through cleaning up. I found trash, and I'm a pig. I'm a mess. I make a mess when I'm just working. When I got nose to the grindstone, yeah, things get crazy. But I want the blast cabinet to be against this wall, I think, and I'm gonna get this stuff all kind of actually situated over here. I don't know, somewhere around this area. I don't know. I just want more workable space, and I just don't have enough. So while I'm doing this stuff off camera, while the truck's idling, I'm gonna start cleaning some things up, show you guys some of the powder coating I've been doing over the last few days, the differentials, etc., and show you some of the little nifty bits we're gonna get into before the video's over.
Flashback. 2,000 years later.
Okay, so we saw a quick little time lapse, me masking some stuff off. Basically my life now, just powder coat, powder coat, powder coat. That's all I do. The turbo housing is an HX35, I think like a CW, I don't know. It came with the Cummins, that first gen that I had a couple months back. It's just a cover, and then there's another part to it that I'll show you soon, but I just had sandblasted it for fun, I guess, random times. I had some spare time. Knocked out sandblast. We're gonna throw a color on it just for, you know, some pictures, some stuff. But look at blue. Look at poor blue. This is just insane. I need to probably fire this thing up and let this thing idle. It is just completely frozen. Holy crap. But I opened the garage door for one, stupid camera. I opened the garage door one particular reason. Why? Because I wanted to show you guys this diff, and the lights above the garage door died like we saw. So grab this little flashlight, helps out a little bit, but this thing, I could not be happier. Oh, well, I guess you don't need it in the camera. Obviously, it's a cast 14 bolt, so there's, you know, this is just beat up spots in the casting that look like crap, but I love this thing. It's Illusion Cherry, and it came out absolutely fantastic. I don't know about you guys, but that makes me want to powder coat my diffs now. So battery's about to die. I'm gonna swap batteries, and then we're gonna decide what color and jump into some turbo powder coating. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the booster boys because I don't want to miss anything. Wall of colors. I don't know really what we're gonna do here. We're doing the turbo housing. We'll do a little something for some TikTok clickbaity stuff. Purple for the wheel? Why not? No. Purple for the housing. Yeah. I like that idea. Yellow for the wheel. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Just a second. So, we're not doing this and this. This instead. Illusion Malbec from Prismatic Powers. It's like a purple, burgundy, I don't know. Housing, this color. Yeah? Yeah. So, to do a little something different though, a nice hot yellow on a cold day, we're going to do this turbo wheel that you're seeing yonder. Why? I saw it on TikTok. Some dude, he had just put the powder on and it didn't show it baked, didn't cured, anything like that. I'm assuming he blew it off afterwards as to not ruin a wheel. I'm gonna ruin this fucker, and I don't care. So, beforehand, I was doing this for fun. Which is probably dangerous to just sit and do, but we got some ideas how to clickbait this for some TikTok reels, Instagram, etc., etc., Facebook, I don't know. But, I don't know, let's just have some fun. We've been powder coating so much lately to get, I don't know, a final product done. Let's just have some fun for once. That's why I started doing this to begin with. So we've played with trucks, we've played with ice. I tried playing with a dirt bike and it wouldn't start, so let's just finish the day with some nice powder coat. Why? I don't know. Let's just do it. It's gonna be the worst clip in the world audio-wise. I got the heater blowing just crazy over there. I got the oven on. I got this fan on. I got everything on right now. But yeah, I didn't film any of the powder of the yellow. It was the worst thing in the world. I turned the camera off and just fought it. It is coming. I didn't want to swap containers. Is what it was. I was too lazy. So I used a lid from a different container on one of the old setups, and yellow there, yellow there, yellow there, yellow. I mean, there's yellow on the ground. You probably can't hear me all the way, but look, there's yellow on the table. It's just insane how much yellow powder went everywhere, but we did it. This guy doesn't look terrible. I mean, I think it's hilarious that I'm powdering a wheel just to kind of, I don't know, get some, not clout, just to rile some people's feathers up on TikTok. I don't know, but we got the wheel done in the purple, looking fantastic. So toss these both in English, Joe. Oh, hi over there. How you doing? Ha ha ha. Yeah, so toss these both in the oven, warm them up for some clear coat, and yeah, from there we'll get them going, get them all done, and end the video out after that with some, I don't know, something. Ha ha ha. Okay, alright. So yeah, that's flowed out. It's about 170, I think. Uh, 175, yeah, it says it's about 175 degrees. I needed about 120-ish to shoot it. Let that cool down. The wheel is in the oven with the clear coat curing already, so we'll pull those all out. You'll get to see the clear coat on this guy because I didn't bother doing any of the other stuff. I've just been cleaning up the giant yellow mess I already made. Yeah. Simple video, nothing major. Just trying to ruffle some feathers with a powder coated turbo wheel on an old junk turbo. Like I said, nothing major. Yeah, let's wait for this thing to cure, wait for this to cool down, and then start shooting some clear coat on it. I don't understand how people exist in extremely cold climate. It's 27, and this is terrible. I mean, my garage isn't the best insulated. There's a bunch of open gaps. Gotta continue filling. I mean, it's miserable out here. Showing this color, we saw the B-roll and me spinning this. I'm like a child, I swear to God. This is too much fun to just sit there and spin. Here, I gotta show you guys. Listen to the noise it makes. Well, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, I'm just having too much fun with that. Like I was saying, this color does not show up in camera for crap until you throw a light at it. And then look. Yeah. Gorgeous. It's like I said, it's like a red, it's like a burgundy, it's like a, I don't know, but ha ha ha. Yeah, it's one of those days. It's 2 days before Christmas. I'm just trying to keep myself busy. I have one last diff to do as this one is done. I just got to throw the gears and the diff cover and stuff back on it. I'll probably knock the diff cover out tonight. It's just one of those messing around nights. Like I said, this video didn't have a bunch of point to it. It was just me ruining a turbo. And then just, I don't know, messing around. Trying to unthaw a truck that I did not realize was going to be frozen. My initial plan before this video was I was going to start that, take it out and play in the snow, play in the ice. Gonna take blue out, play, but I realized it's so icy. I'm scared to take blue out, which I let it idle and warm up today because I didn't want it to freeze. I have antifreeze in that, don't worry. But now that I have the 64 pulled in, I have it under the cover, and I'm thinking of throwing the heater, one of my little 120 volt heaters, leaving it out by the engine overnight because, yeah, or I might let it warm back up again one more time tonight. Make sure it's not frozen, because that was just random Rambletron. Nothing special today. If you like what you saw, leave me a comment down below. Make sure you enjoy Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever it is. But I'm going to leave you guys with that. Average Joe Builds. I'm out of here. Merry Christmas, you guys.